You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this brand name correctly. Alright, so it's a bakery chain and they sell Cinnabons. Okay, Cinnabons, that's the type of bake that they sell, cinnamon buns, Cinnabons. But the brand name itself is Cinnabon, okay, and I believe the bon part is from French bon, or bon means good. So they kind of good Cinnabons, if you understand what I mean. So Cinnabon, Cinnabon. I mean, it's fine to say Cinnabon, that's the bakery type, but the brand name itself is Cinnabon, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.